Do you think SBV campaigns, targeting campaigns, take part in keywords ranking? I know that many people are saying that they do and they have proof and so on. 5 years ago, when we started our brand and sponsor brand video ads were quite new, and we had exact match campaigns for specific keywords, and we had like a 10% ACOS, so very cheap ACOS. What we noticed is that those keywords did not help at all with ranking. Once we took those exact same keywords and added them in sponsored product ads, then it did help with ranking. To your question, I know that this is like a lot of talk about does it help, does it not? If it generates an order, it helps. On our end, we did not see that. I just want to share also with you what we are seeing on our end. It did not help with ranking, specifically ranking keywords. It did help with sales. We got sales, but we did not see any boost in ranking. Let me know if that helped. I'm curious to see if you're seeing the same thing or have a different experience. I've talked to a lot of people who are super knowledgeable and they're all Amazon PPC geeks, and some of them were like, yes, it helps. In our case, it did not help. That's why I'm saying that whenever we're running these type of video ads are not helping with ranking.